Hello dear students, this is Manpreet Kaur, PGT English from KV NTPC Dadri. Welcome to the video lesson of Albert Einstein at School by Patrick Pringle from your book Snapshot. Children, you might have heard about Albert Einstein. He is regarded as the greatest physicist since Newton. Let us have a brief introduction of the lesson. The lesson Albert Einstein at School familiarizes the readers with those years of Einstein's life when he was struggling each day in school, and as each day passed, the school diploma felt like a far-fetched dream for him. It throws light upon some encounters with his teacher, what he felt about the neighborhood he lived in, and how he had only one good friend, Yuri. The way Albert plans to get out of the school and how things turned out in the end makes the story more interesting. See children, this is Einstein as a child. Have a look. So here are the characters of the story. Mr. Brown, Einstein's history teacher. Albert Einstein, Yuri, Einstein's friend. Elsa, Einstein's cousin. Dr. Ernest Wheel, a doctor. Mr. Koch, Einstein's mathematics teacher. Students, stop the video and read the text of this page. Now we will discuss this page in the upcoming slide. So, let us discuss page number 1. Einstein and history. Einstein was studying in a German school in Munich. The lessons begin with an account of Albert with his history teacher. His history teacher, Mr. Brown, asked him in which year Napoleon was defeated at Waterloo by the Prussians. The boy confessed that he did not know the year and he must have forgotten. His teacher wanted to know if Einstein ever tried to learn. Einstein again said with usual honesty that he did not see any point in learning dates. He argued that one can always look up the dates in a book. There was no sense in learning facts, according to Einstein, which was not the aim of education. The teacher then asked the boy to tell the class his theory of education. Children, pause the video and read the second page of the chapter. Albert was very clear about his idea of education. Albert Einstein told the class that in his opinion, it was more important to know the ideas than to learn the facts. He would rather like to know why the soldiers tried to kill one another. The teacher cried that Einstein was a disgrace to the school, should ask his father to take him away. Albert felt very miserable. It was a bad day. All days were like those only. He didn't feel like going to that school the following morning, but his father would not take him away until he had taken his diploma. In the second page, we have come to know about Einstein's locality. Being poor, he was living in a room in the poorest part of Munich. He hated that place also because of slum violence and not because of squalor. Squalor means the state of being extremely dirty. Children, he did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort, but he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. His landlady beat her children regularly, and on every Saturday her husband came drunk and beat her. Albert was lucky enough to have a very sincere friend, Yuri. He discussed his problem of schooling as well as lodging with him. Yuri told Albert that he should be glad that he has a room of his own. But Albert replied that even though Yuri lives among poor students, but they are all civilized students. Yuri then explained him about the duel fight. Duel fight here means a contest with deadly weapons arranged between two people in order to settle a point of honor, as you can see in this picture. Albert doubted if he would ever pass the exams for the school diploma. Now children, stop the video, read the third page of the chapter. Children, on this page, Albert expresses his concern to his cousin Elsa. He discussed his problem with cousin Elsa when she came to Munich. Elsa, who had come to visit Einstein in Munich, normally lived in Berlin. So she advised him to just repeat what he learned in the examination. But his problem was that he was not good at learning things by heart. Elsa inquired which book he was carrying under his arm. It was a book on geology. Now here we have come to know about the interest of Albert Einstein. And it was not a textbook actually. He studied it because he liked that subject. His second interest was music. He played upon his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. She had already enough of howling by the kids at home and of course by her husband also. Pause the video children. Now read the fourth page. Now here is the explanation of the fourth page. Albert told Yuri after 6 months that he must get away from there. It was absurd that he should waste his father's money. He wished to go to Milan, Italy. He requested Yuri to get him a doctor's certificate that he had a nervous breakdown and he must leave the city. Albert was hopeful that Yuri would find the doctor, but seeing Albert's shining eyes, Yuri was surprised. He told Einstein to wait till the confirmation from him regarding the doctor. Pause the video, read the fifth page. Now children, let's see what happened next. Yuri contacted his friend Dr. Ernest Weil. Though not a specialist in nervous disorders, he asked Albert to be honest about his intention on meeting Dr. Weil. The doctor agreed to certify that Albert had a nervous breakdown and he must stay away from school for 6 months. The doctor didn't charge any fee for his service. 6 months was a pretty long period. Albert won't be leaving the school. In case he needed, he could come back to do his diploma back in the school. Children, now read the 6th page. Now, after taking the certificate from the doctor, Einstein decided to take it to the head teacher. But before that, his friend Yuri advised him to get a reference in writing from his mathematics teacher. Mathematics teacher, Mr. Koch. Mr. Koch agreed with Albert that the latter was wasting his time in that class in Munich because he knew much more than even his teacher. He certified him that he was ready to join some college of mathematics for the study of higher mathematics. Finally, children, before even Einstein could go to the head teacher on his own, he was sent for by him. The head teacher sent for Albert and told him that he wanted the boy to leave the school at once. It was a sort of expulsion. The other way was that Albert should go off his own. The head teacher's point was that Albert refused to learn and he was in constant rebellion with others in the class. Albert told him that he was going to leave even otherwise. He walked out of the office and the school where he had spent 5 miserable years. Yuri saw him off with good wishes and good luck. He hoped that Albert would be happier in Milan. Children, there is a phrase in your book on the last page. Certificate was almost burning a hole in his pocket. Here, the author means to say that Einstein has worked so hard to get the certificate from the doctor, and then he is willing to show the certificate to the headmaster also and see how he would react. But the certificate had then become unnecessary as he was being expelled without its production. Children, here are some important questions to ponder on. Read the chapter thoroughly and try to answer these questions on your own.